Hey you, welcome back to another Minecraft video. In the last video, we downloaded Optifine and got that in Minecraft, and we also downloaded shaders and got those in Minecraft as well. But in this video, we got something a little bit different for you. We're gonna add some mods this time. It's just as simple and as easy as the last time. You basically do the same things with just different things, and it works out. Everything you see in this video will be linked in the description. All the websites and everything that I need you to know will be linked in the description, so I don't have to say it 500 times for the entirety of this video because it's lame, it sucks, and it's boring, and I fucking hate it. The first thing you're going to want to install is called Minecraft Forge. I don't really know what it is, but I do know that it does give you the ability to add mods to Minecraft, and that's all I ever really needed to know about it because I could care less about the other effects of it. But I know that you need it to have mods, so I've worked with it. So first, you're going to go over here. You're going to find your version. I'm just going to say we're using 1.19.3 so I don't have to fuck around with anything. And I'm going to hit the installer. That's going to download it for you. Just don't hit anything here and wait for this 5-second period to be over. If you didn't drag it to your desktop, that's fine. You can. I did. If you don't want to, who cares? As long as you can access it, that's fine with me too. So what I want you to go and do is right-click it and hit Open With. That's what you did with Optifine if you've watched that video. You can right-click, Open With, and then first you're going to want to hit Java Platform SE Binary. And that's going to bring up this following text box, which is going to allow you to install. So just hit OK. It's by default on install client. Do not hit install server because you are not putting this on a server. And do not hit extract because it's going to be a cluster fucking mess and you don't want to deal with that. So just hit OK and let it be good. The reason why I didn't hit OK is because I really don't want it on my vanilla Minecraft. I'm currently doing a playthrough on that, so I'd rather not have it on my vanilla Minecraft, but I could still teach you how to do it so you can do it for yourself. So you hit OK, Forge is ready to go. You did not hit install server or extract. You hit install client and it's ready to rock. So now come to your Minecraft launcher. You hit this drop up, I'm going to call it, and you're going to find Forge in here. It's just going to say Forge with a blue box. Okay? I don't have it because I didn't download Forge, but you will. You're going to click it and it should appear right here as Forge with a blue box for the picture. Then you're going to hit play. That's going to run your Minecraft for you, and just let it run, let it load, let it do its thing because it's putting files where files need to go. Now, I want you to go to CURSEFORGE.com. Again, that will be linked in the description. I tried to tell myself not to fucking say that shit this entire video, but here I am. I said it, okay? Go to CURSEFORGE.com, all right? I see the first mod that pops up, JEI. Fine, perfect. I'm going to come over here to the drop down, and I'm going to hit download file. Simple. It's going to take about 4 seconds, 5 seconds. Let that download. Let that marinate. It's going to pop up for me. You see down here how it says keep or discard because it might harm your computer? Well, don't listen to that fucking thing. You keep that shit, all right? Because I've never had a problem with this. I've never met anyone that's ever had a problem with this, and I've never heard anyone having a problem with this. And people use this safe website all the time. Just use it. It's probably your safest bet versus all the other fucking websites that are sketchy as shit and it's weird and you don't want to be on it. Save it. So hit keep. Boom. That's your first mod. That's right there. So I dragged the mod from that little corner down there and I slapped it above my head. So now I'm going to open my mods folder, as you can imagine. I'm going to take this and I'm going to drag it, plop it in there. You don't have to extract that. You don't have to unpack that, unzip that, whatever you have anymore. You used to have to, but now you don't. You just drag it in there and boom, you got a mod just like that. When you load into Minecraft now, it's going to tell you in your left-hand corner that you now have mods installed. Whether it's 1 or 200, it's going to tell you right there. It's going to give you a number and say this is working. That is one key indication to know that your mod is completely fine. If you download a single mod like JEI and you put it in there, and then you start Minecraft, it's going to tell you that it's in there. And if it tells you that it's in there, that means you did it everything you needed to do correctly. If it doesn't tell you that it's in there, you've done something wrong. Or I've done something wrong, and I'm giving you a fucking tutorial that doesn't work. But I highly doubt it. I've been doing this for years. There is one room for potential error when it comes to installing multiple mods, and I'm going to warn you of it right now because it'll probably happen to you because it's so easy to do. But it's okay. It's an easy fix. So when you now close all this out, and you run Minecraft, it's going to load up. You're going to notice that it's loading a little differently because it's got to unload those mods into Minecraft. But some mods work with other mods. That means in order for a mod to function, sometimes it might need another mod. That's okay. When you run Minecraft and it needs another mod, a mod needs another mod, and you don't have that other mod, it's not going to load. If it's in that folder, it's not going to load. So, one, it's going to tell you what mod you're missing. So you could either remove the mod that you put in there that caused this problem, which is pointless because you wanted the mod, you might as well keep it. Or you could just go and download the mod that it tells you to download and the version that it tells you to download, because the version is important. They all need to have the same version. And you just slap it in the folder just like that. You just drag and drop your mods into the folder. You will run into this issue, I promise, but it will be okay. Just pay attention to what Minecraft tells you. I have one more tidbit of information, and it's about CurseForge, which I've mentioned before. We used it to download the mods, and it's so you can play mod packs. If you want to play a specific mod pack like RLCraft or Pixelmon or all the mods or Stoneblock, you need to download the CurseForge app. So go to the website that I linked in the description, click it, download the app, sign in, and now you have access to all those mod packs. So I've signed into CurseForge. I was initially here, but I went here. And now, as you can see, I have a list of mod packs. And all I'm going to do is all you have to do is hit install. It's going to install the mod pack. It's going to take a couple minutes. Fine, like a game, it takes a couple minutes. It doesn't take a couple hours. It takes a couple minutes. It'll install it. And if you watch my previous video back when we downloaded Optifine, it'll tell you how to fine tune it to make it good and the settings playable, because mod packs do require sometimes a lot of processing power, and that's okay because they're big. They're just big. So if you liked the video, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful for you. I hope you are installing mods or mod packs for Minecraft. Thank you so much. Make sure you leave a like, comment with suggestions. Suggestions are great for me. Please leave suggestions. Subscribe if you want to support the channel. You're supporting it, but just by watching this video. And ding dong that notification bell, because if you do that, that tells you when I post another video. And it means you get to watch it a little bit quicker before everybody else. You might be able to comment on it and say like first or some shit, you know what I'm saying? Who gives a fuck? Thank you again for supporting me. I'll see you in the next video.